Welcome to our channel. Two-factor authentication adds a critical security layer to your Coinbase account, protecting your cryptocurrency from unauthorized access. Here's how to enable it. Step 1. Log in to your Coinbase account through the website or mobile app. Navigate to your account settings by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Security from the Settings menu. This section contains all security features available for your account, including two-factor authentication options. Step 3. Locate the two-factor authentication section and click Select or Enable next to your preferred method. Coinbase supports authenticator apps, SMS codes, and security keys. Step 4. If choosing an authenticator app, download Google Authenticator or Authy on your smartphone. These apps generate time-based codes that are more secure than SMS. Step 5. Scan the QR code displayed on your Coinbase screen using your Authenticator app. Alternatively, you can manually enter the provided secret key if you can't scan the QR code. Step 6. Write down the backup codes provided by Coinbase and store them securely offline. These codes are essential for account recovery if you lose access to your authentication device. Step 7. Enter the 6-digit code generated by your Authenticator app to verify the setup is working correctly. This confirms the connection between your account and Authenticator. Step 8. Complete the verification process and consider setting up multiple 2FA methods as backup. You can add both an Authenticator app and a security key for maximum protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.